For this special Tombrown recipe, we'll be needing corn. You can either make use of yellow corn or white corn, then millets, and then also Guinea corn. I've picked out the dirt, and then I'm going to add this all together and wash thoroughly. Now you want to make sure you're washing it really well, because these ingredients can really be dirty. You don't know how much dirt that is in there. So make sure you wash well before proceeding to the next stage. I have to wash this about 3 times. See the stones that still settled under even after washing. So make sure you wash your grains very well. It is really important. Then I'm going to pour clean water over it and cover for about 24 hours. Then here is my soya beans. I'm going to remove the dirt and the stones, and also remove the back and strain very well. And also this is my wheat. I'm going to wash thoroughly, and then I'm going to strain this out very well also. So make sure you drain out all the grains very well before taking it outside to dry. Here is my rice. I'm going to also repeat the same process. Wash well till it's clean and then drain. Then I'm going to be drying out. I had to put them in my oven to dry. If you do not have an oven, just put it out in the sun to dry. But if it's a rainy day or a rainy season, you can spread it out on a large surface, a large and clean surface, and then spread it out to dry. And here is my corn the next day. I'm going to wash it again this time around and sieve it out. You want to make sure you are really washing all your ingredients, your grains. You're really washing them well. See, I still add some stones under, so make sure you do well by washing all your ingredients properly. So I'm going to drain it very well also, and then pour it out on my big tray so I can spread outside, so I can spread in the sun. Okay, so there wasn't light at this time for me to use the oven, so I just had to spread out in the sun. Okay, so this is me checking it out. Okay, you want to use your hand to check up on it and turn it over so that every part of it is drying. And as soon as it was light, I just had to transfer it to my oven so it can dry faster. If you do not have an oven, don't feel pressured at all. Just dry it out in the sun and you're good to go. All right, just that an oven or a dehydrator makes the work much easier and faster. Okay, so here all grains are completely dried. All right, so I set it aside. And then I move to my date seed. Okay, here is my cleaned date seed. You can clean them up with clean cloths. All right, and then de-seed it. And then I'll go ahead by toasting all the grains. And lastly is the groundnuts. Okay, you must have rinsed your groundnuts with very clean water, to get rid of the dust, of the stones, of any kind of dirt. All right, and dried before toasting. Okay, so I'll also do this on a medium heat, and then when it has toasted, I'll bring it off. You might choose to peel it off, you might not choose to, but I'll just leave you to decide whether you want to peel it off or not. But every part of the granite is very, very nutritious. For me, I didn't peel it off, and I put it in a separate bowl, okay, and took it to the miller to grind. And here it is, the final result. I'll be sieving out, okay, because I want it to make a very smooth paste for my baby. You might choose not to sieve it if you'll be consuming it as an adult, but if it's for your baby, please do sieve it so it can be very, very smooth. And I didn't waste the shaft. Okay, I still added the shaft for us at home to make swallow. So every bit of this is enriched with so much nutrients. You do not want to waste any bit of it, trust me. So that is that, and how to make your own Tombrown at home. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.